Hello everyone. It's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and I wanted to share with you guys my latest little project that we made. And I say we because this was made during a Zoom live class that I taught for customers that had purchased the tuck and play cards or packs from 3/4 Designs. So let me start with that because some of you might not be familiar with what that is. So the Tuck and Play Cards is a product that is put out by 3/4 Designs. It is a company that we import from New Zealand, and they make the most beautiful paper lines. Really, they're amazing. This one that I used here is called Maritime Tides. Okay, and what the Tuck and Play is it includes 24 5.5 by 3.5 cards, and then also 24 of the ATC size, which is a 2.5 by 3.5. Now, don't be confused. I know it says 5 3/4 by 3 3/4, but they are not. And so I just kind of wanted to point that out, and I'm going to reach out to them. I don't know if they know they have a typo on there. I'm sure they probably do. They are 3.5 by 5.5. Okay, so you get 24 beautiful cards in the pack, and I mean they are beautiful, gorgeous colors and quality. I mean the print is just phenomenal. Okay, the designs are gorgeous, as you can see, and then of course they are double-sided. Now you could just use them the way they are to create cards, of course, and you'll have a front and a back and then the inside to journal or write in, or you could just cut them and use them for card fronts, but you can also use them for other projects, which is what I'm going to show you next. But as I was saying, you get the larger size, right? All of those beauties. And then you get the exact same pictures or images in the ATC size, which is the 2.5 by 3.5. Same images, just smaller, which is awesome, right? Because you're getting them in two sizes depending on what you want to do with them. And of course, with each line that they release a tuck and play. So we have all kinds of different ones. They are available in our online store, spectrumartcreations.com, or you can also join us for our live sales here on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already, so you can get notifications of when we go live. Okay. But here's one, for example. This one is from Tomorrow's Rainbow. Beautiful colors. So everybody in class had different lines, and it was a whole lot of fun because all the colors were different. All of the albums were different. Here's the Christmas Magic. This one we're going to be using for an upcoming class too, where we're going to do some layouts and some cards. So super fun with that one. Here is I just grabbed some examples to kind of show you. Here is the Heavenly Wildflower. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Anyway, let's get moving because I want this to be a super short video, and I just kind of wanted to show you what I had done with my album. Now, everybody's album was a little bit different, of course, because A, they had different collections, and B, we decorated them differently. What I did was I went ahead and created this double mat using, again, the two different sizes on the front. And then for my little image here, which is a little flip, okay, that you can still journal and write on, and then it's magnetized. I just used the ATC size for that, okay? Decorated the spines, haven't finished it yet, not really sure. Have decorated the back, and also this other spine. It still needs something there. I'll see what I come up with. But we learned how to make this beautiful custom album, which is made specifically to fit the tuck and plays. This was designed by Joe and Allie, who are the owners and creators over at 3/4 Designs. So thank you, Joe and Allie, for sharing this with us and allowing us to pass it along to our customers. So here we have a magnetic closure as well, and then it opens up, and then it opens up again. So we have this gorgeous image here, and then this right here. I have created on this side a little flap. I need probably, oh, here, we can borrow this card right here. So I've created a flap right here using our mini whale die set, which we have in the store as well. And here I've created a pocket, but I've left it kind of blank on here. It is matted, it is somewhat distressed and inked, but I left it fairly blank for the reason that I'm not sure if it's going to be photos or maybe some journaling or a combination of both, a sentiment, or maybe a favorite quote on there. So that is still there to be finished. This is another pocket right here. Oh, and then back here, I put a little flag so I wouldn't forget. There's another pocket back there. There's like pockets throughout everywhere. Now, in class, one of the ladies said, oh my gosh, these are so perfect for creating cards. And I said, well, yeah, that's what they're originally meant for. So I thought, hey, why not create some cards to go in the pages? So instead of just having the image, we actually now have the image, which is decorative, right? But on the inside, we have tons of room to journal and add a photo about this one day or whatever it is that we want to journal on there. And then I did the same thing on this side on some of them, see? So you have lots of places to journal as well as your decorative option. Here, I just created a little pocket and I've tucked a little card on there to journal with. On this side, we've got a pocket and another one of those fold outs so that we can journal as well. Here on this side, we've got another one. On this side, we have a hidden little pocket there, as you can see. And again, some of these do have to be stretched out because I haven't even inserted anything on there, so it's still a little tight. But as you know, paper will give eventually. Then we've got another one here. On this side, we have another one of the flaps with the pockets. And I wrote enchanting, or I chose enchanting sea as a sentiment on that. This is also from 3/4 Designs. That is the name of the pack. I kind of cut it all up, so I tossed it in a bag while I'm still playing with it. But it includes all kinds of really cool words. And then it even has the white and the black. And I'm not sure what I did with the front cover. Oh, there it is. It's called Lots of Words Fussy Cutting Pack, okay? It includes 13 pages at 300 GSM, so really nice thick cardstock, okay, with sentiments like capture and travel, and then winter, summer, impossible, important, silly, you name it, all kinds of different fonts. It goes down to like tiny, teeny, tiny ones, which I really like. Do you see how tiny those are? So you always have something that you can use depending on your project. As I said, I tossed them in a bag so I wouldn't lose them, so I got to put them back in the right packaging. But that's what I use for that. And then we flip over on this side and we've got yet another journaling double spot. Here we've got a pocket as well. Here we've got another mini flip to journal. And then of course we can add our photo and whatnot there. Here we have another one of those cool little hidden tuck spots. Then on this side, we've got, have you kept track of how many pages we've done? There is just so much room packed in this little thing. Here is another one. Here I kept the 2 ATCs together and just made like a little double card fold there. And then here we've got a double one as well. Here we've got another one of those super cool hidden little pockets. Okay. And then here we have another one of those tabs with the large generous pocket on the bottom. And there you go. And then it just kind of all folds in and you just can't believe just how much is packed. All of that is packed in there. and then it just closes all nice and neat, right? So that was super fun to create. And again, make sure you guys check out the Facebook group, because in the Facebook group, which is Spectrum Art Creation Friends, I'll leave information at the end of this video for the Facebook group, for the lives that we do. So make sure you stay tuned, because I'm going to share all that with you. But then when I was finished with this, I was like, well, you know what? I still have more of the more stuff that I could use. So in the Facebook group, once again, Spectrum Art Creation Friends, we are having a pocket letter challenge. So I grabbed my ATC size cards, which of course our ATCs is what we use for pocket letters, and I made a pocket letter using them. Isn't that phenomenal? Like, so easy, right? Because they're gorgeous. So I just added a few little things here and there. Now, you might be wondering, hang on a second, hang on, because so this is the larger mats, right, that you use in here. Great. These are the ATC size. How did you get something smaller? Where did you get those from, right? Because these little teeny tiny ones are only 2 inches by 3. And you're like, I didn't get those in my pack. Yeah, you did. They're right here. It's the packaging. So see, I love using it all. So you notice is the packaging. I've reinforced it. Of course, the packaging is thin. The cards are amazing. I mean, this is like 300 GSM, but the packaging is just packaging, right? So I did reinforce it with some cardstock. And then of course I had the, little thing there. I didn't want to chop it off. So all I did was I added a silver dollar to it. And then I added like this really cool coin, which has got like a sailboat and a seed bead, kind of a bead, pony bead up there, and then just some other ephemera scattered throughout from my stash. I grabbed the word adventure from the Lots of Word word pack, and just had super fun. So it's of course double-sided, because the backs are always beautiful from their goodies, but I made a pocket letter. So I actually got 2 projects out of just 1 pack, right? Waste not, want not. And then if you're thinking, well, okay, cool, you're done then, right? Well, technically I still have a few more, believe it or not, of the ATC size, which is fine, because I can add them to that if I want, or I can do a second pocket letter or make mini cards if I want. But then I flipped it over and I realized, okay, those are really cute. I mean, the quality is stunning on the images. They're super clear. They're beautiful. And they're just like these little tiles. So then I thought, oh, little tiles, you say? Oh, of course I said little tiles. So you know what I did? There's 24 of them, right? Because we're getting 24 images in the pack. So I grabbed them all and I made little tiles, exactly that. You notice that? There are tiles. So I used my clear embossing powder and I mounted them on black cardstock, and then I went ahead and mounted them on, I inked them and mounted them on blue as well. Look how beautiful they are. They're little tiles. And then I poked little holes on them. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but I wanted to show you that you can also just put a gourd pin through them. Okay, or they're called light bulb pins as well. We have these in store as well. And you can just use them as dangles, of course, off of anything. They'll look amazing and be interactive. Or you can also add a chain like I've done to this one, right? And we could even use that, to hang off the spine. Oh, I might have to add this one. Look, how cool is that? Message in a bottle. So we can hang that and have it dangle as well. You can even do them double-sided if you wanted to, right? And then just have them back to back as well. So pretty cool. So I was able to, out of the same pack, also get 24 little cute tiles to go with that as well. So it is definitely the collection or the pack that keeps on giving, because you can get so many projects. So hopefully that is giving you some ideas and inspiration of the things that you can also do with your tuck and plays, in addition to them just being gorgeous collections to use for card making, for journals, for pockets, because again, whether you have a journal you're working on, and you just want to use one of those and use it as a pocket or as a tuck, or even maybe even a large one and just use it as a tip in or a tip out, or again, a much more generous pocket and be able to, journal on it as well in the front. Well, we certainly hope that you have enjoyed that and that hopefully we've given you some additional ideas and inspiration. And of course, that you join us for our free classes. Be sure to leave a comment down below because we would love for you to participate in the current giveaways that we're doing, which is as soon as this video reaches 20 individual comments, the gift cards will start coming in. So again, leave a comment down below. While you're at it, we would appreciate a thumbs up. And of course, if you would share this out with your friends. Now, make sure that you also visit our online stores. Well, the reason why is because all the items that you've seen here, plus thousands more, are available in our online stores. We have the latest and greatest from all around the world. We have 2 stores to serve you, SpectrumArtCreations.com and our Etsy store, also under Spectrum Art Creations, and they both have different items. Also, make sure that you join us right here on this YouTube channel for our live sales. Yes, we come live and we actually get to interact and show you the product live. You get to shop live. You get to see the product live as well. And you get to chat live and then join in also the games and giveaways. So it's a whole lot of fun and you can do it all from the comfort of home. You never have to leave in order to shop for the best products from all around the world. And the good news is, as soon as you are done shopping from any of our sources, whether it's online, Etsy, or the live sales, your items will be at your doorstep in just a matter of days. Also, as I had mentioned, join our Facebook group. It is Spectrum Art Creation Friends. Don't forget the friends at the end. And also, please make sure that you answer the questions when you request membership, because that is super important. You must answer before you are accepted into the group. And in the group, in the Facebook group, we not only have tons of inspiration from all of fellow crafters and creators, but we also have games and giveaways. So subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications so that you know when we are live and you can join us, as well as enjoy tutorials, classes. As I mentioned, we do free classes for product that we sell, games and giveaways, and live craft alongs, and so much more. The channel is full of just a lot of great inspirational ideas and always something happening, right? So do join us. Here is another video for you to watch, and I will see you there. That video has a whole lot more inspiration and fun. Let's go. I'll see you there.